All right, so this is going to be level 5. In this level, we're going to focus on no solutions and all real numbers. So these are going to be special ones. Some of the equations in this level are going to be normal, just so you're not expecting, it's got to keep you on your toes. So 2x plus 2x plus 2 equals 4x plus 2. So 2x plus 2x is 4x. Same side, so we can just add them. Plus 2 equals 4x plus 2. We're going to get the variable on the same side. So if you notice here how they're both equal, this means something special is going to play out here. So I'm going to subtract 4x. I'm left with 2x equals, or sorry, 2 equals 2. Notice that our variable added out. When your variable adds out, that's a special equation. What I'm left with here is a true statement. 2 does equal 2. So this solution is going to be all real numbers. Okay, because our variables added out and we were left with something true. Second one we're going to do is 3 times x minus 1 equals 2x plus 9. Okay, 3 outside the parentheses, we're going to distribute. 3x minus 3, keep the right side. Now we're going to get our variables on the same side. I like mine positive, so I'm going to subtract 2x. Subtract 2x. So we still have x in here. We have 1x or x. So this is going to be a normal one that has a solution. X minus 3 equals 9. We're going to add 3. X is going to equal 12. Okay, so that's just like a normal equation there. Third one, 2x plus 8 equals 2 times the quantity x plus 4. So we've got distributive property happening over here on the right side of the equation. 2 times x, 2x, 2 times 4 is 8. Ooh, notice that both the left side and the right side are equal, right? Like they have the same things, okay? Again, I like to move my variables first, so it's positive, so I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. Oh, what do you know? They added out. Again, we're left with is this true statement. When it's a true statement down here, this is all real numbers. It means that I can put all sorts of things in here for x, right? Because whatever you put here, you have to put here, and it's going to work out. And so that's why you put it there, because you can't list all the different possibilities. Number 4, 2x minus x plus 7 equals x plus 3 plus 4. So I'm just going to try to simplify things here first. I've got like a minus 2 or a negative 2 plus 7. So this becomes 2x plus 5. 3 plus 4 on the same side of the equation. So I'm just going to add those. And it becomes x plus 7. Okay. Notice that my left and my right side are not the same thing. So this is going to be just an equation that works out. So I'm going to subtract x or subtract 1x. If you need to write the 1 in front of that to help you, you can. Leaves you with x plus 5 equals 7. Subtract 5, subtract 5. X is going to equal 2. So again, that's a normal equation there. Okay, fifth one, negative 2 times x plus, times the quantity x plus 1 equals negative 2x plus 5. Distributive property, negative 2x plus negative 2 equals negative 2x plus 5. So if we look at this equation here, you've got the negative 2x that matches, but our constant does not. Right, and so that's going to play out a little bit differently. So we're going to move our variable. We're going to add 2x. And this is why I move my variable first, to see if it's one of these special solutions. Negative 2 equals 5. Okay. Down here we have a false statement here. Negative 2 does not equal 5. Right? Those two are not the same value. And so there's nothing I can put in for x to make this equation work. So we call this no solution. There's no number in here that's going to make this equation work out. 5. Number 6. 4x plus 2x plus 2 equals 3x plus 7. 4x plus 2x is 6x plus 2. Same thing. This is going to be a normal equation because our variables aren't the same number here. So this is just going to be, come up with one answer here. 3x plus 2 equals 7. Subtract 2. 3x equals 5. Divide by 3. X is going to equal either 5/3, or you could say 1 2/3 if you really wanted to make that a mixed number. Okay. Number 7, 2 times the quantity x plus 2 plus 3x equals 2 times x plus 1 in the parentheses, and then plus 1 outside the parentheses. Distribute. 2x plus 4 plus 3x equals, distribute, 2x plus 2 plus 1. Now I'm going to combine my like terms that are on the same side of the equation. So 2x and 3x are on the same side of the equation. So I can just add them. That becomes 5x plus 4. 2x, 2 plus 1 are both constants and on the same side, so we can add those. So we can tell our variables are different. This is going to be a 1 solution here. 3x plus 4 equals 3. Subtract 4. 3x equals -1. Divide by 3, and x equals -1/3. Okay, last one. 4 times the quantity x minus 1 equals 1/2 x minus 8. All right, distributive property. 4x minus 4, distributive property, 1/2 x minus 4. Okay, so we're going to get a solution here because we've got, those aren't equal. So I'm going to subtract 1/2 x, I'm going to subtract 1/2 x, and I can show you another method here. So 4 minus 1/2 is going to be 3 and 1/2 x, but I'm going to make this just an improper fraction because this is going to be a little bit easier. So I'm going to denominator of 2. So this is going to become 8 over 2x. And then we're going to subtract our 1/2 x, right? And I'll just put it off to the side here so you can see. 8 over 2 minus 1/2, right? So this becomes 7/2 x minus 4 equals -4. We're going to add 4. 7 over 2x equals 0. All right, we haven't really dealt with this. You can do this in 1 step or in 2 steps. I like to do it in 1. So we're going to multiply by the reciprocal. The reciprocal means we're going to flip that fraction over because those 2's divide out, those 7's divide out, so you're left with x. And then 0 times 2 7ths is 0. So in this case, x equals 0, which is an answer. X equals 0 is one solution. It's not a no solution or all real numbers.